Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe first and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Cook with Komal. So today we are gonna make smoked mince. So here I have half kg of minced beef. And here we have 2 plates of onion. This onion I have taken 5 medium size and I have to brown it. And then this onion, it's about 4 medium size, we will add in the curry. 5 to 6 green chilies, 4 teaspoon red chili powder, 3.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste or 1 teaspoon, allspice powder 1 teaspoon. So now our oil is enough hot. I'm gonna add the onions. We have to fry it until it gets golden brown. Now our onion is brown and I'm gonna add the mince. Ginger garlic paste. Red chili powder. Onions. Salt, mix it. Here I had it 4 cups of water. When it starts boiling, I'll cover it. Now it start boiling. Cover it for half an hour so the mince will tender. Now after half an hour, we have to cook it until oil separates. Now as you see, the oil is separating slowly. Stir it more for 5 minutes. Now as you can see, oil is completely separated now. Now we will add allspice powder. Green chilies. Mix it. Add half cup of water. Now cook it for 5 minutes more. Cover it. Now after 5 minutes, as you can see, our mince is completely done. Now we have to give it a smoke. Now we have to give it a smoke. With some julienne ginger, and it's now ready to serve. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and tell me about your experience after making it. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.